Llama, llama, mad at mama. Llama, llama, having fun. Blocks and puzzles in the sun. Time to shop. It's Saturday. Llama, llama wants to play. First the shopping, then a treat. Mama llama gets the seat. Llama dreaming in the car. Wake up, here we are. Great big building, great big signs. Lots of easels, lots of lines. Llama, llama, out with mama. Shopping at the Shopperama. Yucky music, great big feet. Ladies smelling way too sweet. Look at knees and stand in line. Llama, llama starts to whine. Clearance sales and discount buy. What is little llama's size? Try it on and take it off. Pull and wiggle, itch and cuff. Shirts and jackets, pants and shoes. Does this sweater come in blue? Brand new socks and underwear. Llama, llama doesn't care. Cheese, puffs, and OT crunch. What would llama like for lunch? Llama, llama doesn't know. Llama, llama wants to go. Loaf of bread and cream of wheat. Llama, llama wants his treat. It is not fun at Shopperama. Llama, llama mad at mama. Flying pasta, spraying juice. Paper towel rolling loose. Coffee, bread, and chips galore. Shoes and sweater hit the floor. Crash the cart and smash the signs. No more waiting, no more lines. Out go socks and cheesy puffs. Llama, llama, that's enough. Please stop fussing, little llama. No more of this llama drama. I think shopping is boring too, but at least I'm here with you. Let's see if we can make this fun and get the llama shopping done. Let's be a team at Shopperama. Llama, llama, shop with mama. Sweep up pasta, mop up juice, wrap up towels rolling loose, pick up puffs and find the sock, put the shoes back in the box, push the cart with mama llama, almost done in Shopperama. Time to leave, the shopping is done, no more waiting, time for fun. Out to parking, not too far. Where did mama leave the car? Snap the buckle, grab the box, put on brand new shoes and socks. Say goodbye to Shopperama.